free 2021 Topps Chrome Black Baseball, as well as a Leaf 2021 autographed mini football helmet. Here we go, Brian. Thanks so much, and good luck. I'm going to start with the helmet first. All right. These stickers on these leaf boxes are something else. There we go. All right, we've got nice classic. How about a little Frank Gore on the speed for the Niners? Nice Frank Gore. There you go. Congrats on that, Brian. Midas, this is not, you need to go over to the YouTube and Twitch. These are just personals for Layton Sports Cards on the Instagram. Nice Frank Gore, inscribed 81. That is Beckett's cert with the matching Beckett right inside. All right, congrats on that, Brian. Very nice mini helmet. The mini helmets we've ripped tonight have been fire. We pulled a CMC Eclipse alternate earlier, now a Frank Gore. All right, Brian, time for the baseball. Good luck. To slide the cards. Oops, not looking. I want to be surprised too. On top. Empty. Here we go. Box number 1. First, for the Nationals, we've got Juan Soto. Juan Soto base. Then for the Cubbies, a Wilson Contreras. Nice. And last one, refractor out of 199, a Elvis Andrus. Nice. Elvis Andrus. All right, and first in case card here for you, Brian. We've got a rookie of Chris Bubic for the Royals. Royals rookie on card auto. Base auto, Chris Bubic. All right. Box number 2. Again, let me know if you have any questions at all. LaytonSportsCards.com underneath the Personals tab. That's where you can find everything we've got available for you. Empty. All right. First, we have a Brandon Crawford, San Fran. How much per, what, one of these boxes? A black? Topps Chrome Black. Nice one there. We've got rookie for the Rays, pitcher, Luis Patino. Nice Patino. But these are $139.99. $140. And purple for the D-backs, Kettle Marte. Nice purple. That is out of 150. All right, and your encased card. Rookie for the Blue Jays, Alejandro Kirk. Mr. Kirk. Yeah, no problem, Ben. Base auto there, Blue Jays, Alejandro Kirk. All right, box number 3. Empty. pack. Up first, for the Rockies, we've had a Trevor Story. Uh-oh, Mason. Ant-Man. Nice. Up next, for the White Sox, pitcher Lance Lynn. Lance Lynn. And last one, we've got nice refractor rookie Joe Adell out of 199. Nice Joe Adell. 18 out of 199. All right, and in case card here for you, Brian. We have rookie, another Brady Singer. Oh no, it was Bubik. I was thinking we pulled the same team, same position, different player. All right, Brady Singer, rookie on card auto there for the Royals. All right, there you go, Brian. Congrats on all those hits. Thanks again. We'll get this right out to you.